The iPhone 4S 6 set has a thin and light design with a premium feel to it. It has a large 3.5-inch, diagonal, widescreen multi-touch display with 960 by 640 pixel resolution. The mobile has a fingerprint-resistant coating on front and back that protects. The iPhone 4S 16GB mobile handset has a powerful 8-megapixel iSight camera with Panorama view, HD video recording and LED flash. It also has a front VGA camera for video calling. The iPhone 4S 16GB mobile handset supports 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, proximity sensor and an ambient light sensor. Apple iPhone 4S 16GB was launched in October 2012 and runs on iOS 5. The smartphone provides a host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, GPS capabilities. The smartphone is powered by one GHz dual-core ARM Cortex-A9 processor. A 512MB of RAM and PowerVR GX 543 MP2 graphics processor ensures phone runs smoothly even in the most memory-intensive applications and still shows no signs of lag. 16GB of internal storage cannot be expanded further. The phone comes with a 1420 mAh battery to support its 3.5-inch screen with IPS Retina display having a resolution of 640 by 960 at 330p. The screen is also protected by a durable scratch-resistant glass. Apple iPhone 4S 16GB comes with 8-megapixel rear camera and 0.3-megapixel front camera. The smartphone is also loaded with optical image stabilization and has a low camera aperture of f/2.4.